Assalamu alaikum. Here we are starting one paper session for the preparation of one paper. Here we will discuss 20 most important questions for the preparation of sub inspector. Here on my YouTube channel I will upload every day a video which conclude 20 क्वेश्चन, जिसमें 20 क्वेश्चन होंगे। तो इन 20 क्वेश्चंस में हम मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जो है ना वन पेपर के लिहाज से इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सर सैयद अहमद ख़ान वेंट टू इंग्लैंड विद हिज सन इन 1869। खिलजी डायनेस्टी फाउंडेड इन 1290 बाय जलालुद्दीन खिलजी। नेल्सन मंडेला अवार्डेड नोबेल प्राइज इन 1993। सर अल्लामा इकबाल इलेक्टेड एज ए मेंबर ऑफ पंजाब लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इन 1926। टोटल आर्टिकल इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ USA इज 7। Pertinacious meaning is determined. Pertinacious meaning determined. Dude meaning failure. Period of privation meaning hardship. Anathematized meaning curse, demon. Committee which select winners for Nobel Prize sits in Norway. Solder, material which acts as a solder in soldering operation in electronics, lead and tin. Okay. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Wall Street is famous for banking and finance. East India Company set up in Surat in 1613. Which city of Sindh is famous for woodwork industry is Hala. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan retired from government service in 1876. Article 19 of Pakistan is related to freedom of speech of 1973 Constitution. WHO established on 7 April 1948. Battle of Ditch fought in 5 Hijri. Battle of Ditch fought in 5 Hijri. Battle of Khyber fought in 7 Hijri. Battle of Badr fought in 2 Hijri. Uhud in 3 Hijri. Tabuk in 9 Hijri. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid belonged to Banu Makhzum tribe.